Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Let's begin. First, let's today we are creating a ghost game. So in this game, it is like that you gonna be like three or five doors, and you should try. You have to escape the door, escape without be getting catched by the ghost. Now example of ghost is the fifth door, and you pick the door, and you lose. So now the ghost pick the first room, and you pick the fifth room. You go to the next level. So same, it's gonna be like that only. So let's begin. So it's very small. If to just tell, it's like I think so 22 lines. I mean 19 lines. Yeah, it's 21 lines. Okay. Anyway, let's begin. So first we'll just for normally this is I'll write here ghost game. Then we're gonna write here from random. So from ghost should take a random, right? So one, it cannot take always one. Then we will take. So it should take one, five, anything it should take from random. Import. We're gonna import randit. It's in built-in, so you don't need to go to that plugins and they're all pip install. So it's inside that, so no problem. So we're gonna print ghost game. So of course it's a ghost game, so we're going to give a title as ghost game. Then we are going to write here feeling brave is equal to true. Now I'm keeping here feeling brave because not because there are problems writing true everywhere, so it's like, yeah, I can keep any variable. I can keep now I think so this like this I can keep any word as a meaning for true. Since we had to be brave in this game, kind of getting the game means I'm being like game type. So I'm going to keep it as feeling brave. Wait, I think so, let's keep it underscore brave. Then while, then sorry, we had to write here. Oh, we had to write here while, don't forget. Oh, okay. While, wait, yeah, sorry, had to write here feeling brave. Okay, feeling brave is equal to true as we give here. Now in the next line we write while feeling brave. So this is like forming a sentence also here. So okay, so feeling brave quotation like two. Then we're gonna keep here ghost, copy that ghost, uh, ghost underscore door, not door. I don't know how you spell that. Anyway, then we're gonna, okay, then we're gonna write here ghost door is equal to rand it. So here comes the main part. So you have to add from which numbers. Now I want the ghost to hide in three rooms. So I'm gonna keep here 1, 2, 3 rooms. So it's gonna hide just in three rooms. Yeah. So it's gonna hide in these three rooms. If you want to keep 510 million, 4 trillion, your wish. But as the numbers begin, the means you might always win because the chances of getting of a ghost is very low by that time. So three is like more nice, so I'm gonna keep three. Print we are gonna keep here three. So we are gonna, this is like every game has a story, so this is also we are writing the story now. Okay, three doors ahead. Oh, ahead, and I'm gonna keep these dots. Okay, then we're gonna keep here, or full stops, I don't know what we call them, print. Then we're gonna write here print. Then a ghost is behind one of them. Of course ghost is going to be behind one of these doors, so you can uh, uh, behind the of these three doors. So yeah, I'm writing the storyline, you can say this. Then print so which we are gonna ask here which door to open, then we have a question mark, then we are gonna write here door. Yeah, so we are creating a one more variable. You can keep it anything. I'm keeping the game style, so door is equal to input. So here is the question type. So normally I would keep answer. Okay, short form is ans. I would say answer is equal to input question here. So now, since you are in the game, I'm keeping the game style. If you want, you can keep another one. It's your wish. Okay. Now we're gonna write here type a number between 1 to 3. So you can keep your 15. So how many you have here? Now I have example now here 13. So it matters how much also. If I kept here 3, I would write here 3. If you have 7, 9, 1 million, 1 quadrillion, okay, I don't care. So I would write here 3. Okay, then we are going to write here, we are creating one more variable called door underscore number. You can, I'm writing here num because it's smaller and it won't take a lot of time to write. So door underscore num, not dumb. Okay, we're gonna create a int. We're gonna write here in brackets. We're gonna write here door. So it's gonna be in the bracket. So if you give the number, it's gonna choose a door. So like that, if door 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 num if door num is equal to, okay, door num equals to double. So we're going to write here ghost door. If the door is 2, means if not the ghost took 5 and you took also 5. So today here we are going to write what happens. So now I'll write here the quotation mark, whatever, print ghost, and then we are going to write ghost and exclamatory marks. Then we are going to write here, we are going to write feeling. Now we are not feeling brave, right? So of course we are going to write here false. So we are not feeling brave, so which means the game has ended here. If you are still winning, then we can write here else. You have to write it below l if. So else, then we are going to write here else print. We're going to write here print to go no ghost. Let's go. Okay, no ghost. So we have went to the next level. You can see it. I'll just keep exclamation mark. So it's like a happiness ghost, then print. So in the end, so we're going to write here you your you entered the next room or level. You can see, I'll call it level. So let's go. Then we are gonna write here. We are gonna now, since this game is gonna have score, and I just noticed that there's a one more line to write here. So the score equals to, you have to give your score equal to 0. I did not return this. I just got remember. So we are gonna write here now score. Now since we are going to next level, this game is gonna have score. So it should add every once you play the game. So we're gonna add here score. Yeah, score is equal to 4 again, because here the score is 0, as you can see here. So it's just score is equal to 0. So it should add 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is what? Of course 1. So that, so we're going to write here plus 1. Done. Now next we are going to write print um, print runaway, game over. Okay, so this is when the ghost finds you. So yeah, when the ghost finds you, there's the ghost will of course find you in any way. So since when the ghost will find you, it's going to print this. Means when you win, you, so once ever you get, so you can just write here print. Wait a second. Yeah, so yeah, we are going to write here print print we are going to write run away, because we are going to get anyway, like there is not a chance that you can never get caught by this ghost. So anyway, run away, away, not away. This is nice. Now let's gonna print here the game score. Now everyone, since we now if I went 300 times without the ghost finding me, so we had to show the game score. So write game over, then you score, then you're gonna keep here in comma, because you can't write any number there. There's not a chance that now if I write here 5, there's not always that any person will get 5. So we are just going to write a score, so which means that it's going to give the score value here after calculating it. So let's run the program. I hope it does not use an error. And nice, see, ghost game, 3 doors ahead, a ghost is behind you. Which door do you want to open? Type in number between. I would like to go in 1 because, oh, ghost run away, you scored 0. I'm a noob. Okay. Anyway, you can just increase the possibility. Now the example here is 3, as you can see. Now I can make it to let's keep it 100, and let's change it here so it will be reasonable. 100. Now there's very less chance the ghost can find me. No ghost, enter the next level. You scored 1.3 doors again. Okay, again 21. Nice. Then okay, yeah, okay. There's an error also. So let's do. You can see now it's like perfectly running. Oh, I wrote something else, so that's why it was not working. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Video was amazing. A lot of time for recording just a 3 video. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to program this. I'm sorry I'm late, and sorry for Tech Dog for dying. I have created a new channel again. Just check out in the link. Anyway, I hope you liked this. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.
I want more life for my Drake shit, and I'm getting tired of all the same shit. I wanna see my family, wanna see my friends. I've been slept on like my name says, and I'm pretty far from being famous, but I sure as hell ain't nameless. I just take aim, I ain't aimless, and I let it fly like a spaceship and just